Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be an unboxing of the AUTOabc portable 7-inch Android Auto Apple CarPlay system. And this is basically a little infotainment device. Again, 7-inch screen, and this allows you, any car you can use this with, and it'll give you Android Auto or Apple CarPlay capabilities in your car. You could also use this outside of your car. It's going to be very reflective, as you can see right now, because I've got lots of lights in this room and the screen isn't on. It's just glass, so it's going to reflect. But yeah, this basically allows you to have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your car using this screen. This screen will be your Android Auto Apple CarPlay screen to be able to control the functions of your phone that you use most while driving. Great for older cars that don't have an infotainment system built into them in order to give you that capability. Now over here on the side, you'll see that you have these ports here. You've got a Type-C port, AVN, micro SD, and then another port here. I'm not 100% sure what that's for. That could be for power, or that could be for audio out. I have to check that in the instructions, but you do have those 4 ports as you see here. Nothing on the other side. And then on the back, you have your place where you latch this on in order to attach it in your car. And let's take a look at everything that comes in the box to support this and get it going. First, you've got your stand here. You've got the sticky pad so that you can stick this onto your dash or wherever you want it. And this, it does twist around. It doesn't twist easily because you want it to lock in place. Once you have it where you have it, you don't want it to move around while you're using it. And so this changes angles. And of course, you would attach this here, and you can display it in your car, attach it to your car that way if that works for you. But that might not be the best method for you, and so they include another method. Let's open this, and there you go. You can see you got this really nice wide suction cup sticky base here, and that's great for attaching especially to a windshield. And you have this that rotates around, and this that rotates so that you can get this at, whatever angle is best for you. This, of course, again, will latch into the back of this, and then you can change the angle and then tighten it down, and you can change this to get it exactly where you want. So they have the 2 different ways to display this, which is great. You also have an audio cord, and this is to get the audio. If your car has an auxiliary in, you can use the auxiliary to get the sound from CarPlay or Android Auto into your sound system. It also can use the FM transmitter, probably not the best, but can use that. But it also can use Bluetooth, which is a great feature, the fact that it can connect to your car's Bluetooth and transmit audio that way. And so you have that if you want to use that method. And then this is how you're going to power this device. And here you go. So it is powered through the Type-C power charging. So now if your car has a USB port in it, you could just use a USB to USB-C port to power it. But they include what traditionally we call cigarette lighter power. So you can plug this in, and then the other side will go into your device. And then as a bonus, it gives you a free USB to power other things if you need that as well. So everything is included. Of course, you do also get the user manual. That's going to explain exactly how this is used, how to set it up, and get the most use out of it. But yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. You got all the powering cords, the AV cord in case you want to use the auxiliary instead of Bluetooth. You've got different ways to mount it so that you can get it where you want. And then you've got of course, the device itself, which is going to be the 7-inch screen that gives you access to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Anyway, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. Stay tuned for a full demo and review video that'll be coming up shortly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.